What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have GEO or Geo Group. Okay, it's 2.50% down from Friday on Friday. Obviously, now my prediction was otherwise. I was expecting upside moves right here with Geo to just continue and deliver to these highs. That was not the case. On the other hand, now I just delivered the moving average. So let's just get that back on the chart. Now, just like this. So we can see even with have a lot of drawings on the chart, and it doesn't seem like it's looks pretty nasty and shit. So let me just do this and delete everything right here. Fantastic. Now we can see this thing actually just moving higher, and I absolutely love it. Okay, we consider it has been in this beautiful uptrend for quite a while. So we had this shift right here. Now we could either just do this or do this, in my own personal opinion, which is again not financial advice. So 842 highs are looking to these to get cleared. So that's definitely about it for the video. Certainly about it. So have a wonderful day and goodbye.